I have my ZLL SG100 plus 2 for the first flight this morning. Well, it'll be the second flight. I just did a test flight just to make sure everything was working before bringing it out here. So let me go ahead and start my timer. Got it set for 6 minutes. Let's see if we can take off. Oh, there we go. Okay, so right now I have it in indoor mode 1, and as you can see, I've got it full stick forward. It barely has enough. it barely has enough to push against the wind. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we've got it in speed mode 2, indoor. Speed mode 2 indoor. Okay, so that's better than 1. Let's go. Now we've got it in third mode, indoor mode, and we're doing better. All right, we're doing better. Bring it down a bit. Okay, let's see what our yaw rate is. Not bad. Seems to have some power to it. Okay, so I'm going to put it into outdoor speed mode. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so now it's in outdoor. All right, I got it full tilt right now. Whoa! All right, let's go. Full tilt. Not bad. Not bad for a little FPV cruiser that I wanted to have. Okay, so now let's bring it over here. Let's see if we can do a stunt with it, right? Let me make sure I got the stunt button right here. Hey, how about that? Oh, that does rolls just fine. Okay. Let's see this. Hey. That's pretty cool. Let's try that in a little bit closer. How about that? Get it in a little closer. Cool. All right, let's do a backflip again. It does that really well. All right, so okay, I wanted to show you this orbit function on here. Let me make sure I've got bring it down a little bit. Okay, let me see. I got the orbit. Yeah, there we go. That's the orbit function, where it just kind of turns a tight circle like that. But I've only seen it go to the left. I haven't seen it go to the right. All right, I thought maybe if I clicked it again it would, I thought maybe it would go in the opposite direction, but it just stops it. But I think with the little FPV camera on this, I think it's going to be pretty fun. It's not tremendously fast, but you know, it's not bad for flying around the property and just having fun with it. Okay, so let's see what kind of a punch out it has. Are you ready? Let's do a punch out. Oh, that's it, huh? Not a big punch out. Huh, it kind of gooses it, but then it ascends really, really slow. So that must be the gyro kicking in to make sure. Okay, we're descending. I got full down on the throttle. That's as fast as it will descend, and that's as fast as it will ascend. So it's got some power, but the gyro is preventing it from doing really abrupt things. So my plans for this is to put an FPV camera on it, a 5.8 gigahertz FPV camera. Do some FPV flying. It's been years since I have flown FPV with anything. And then I think what I might do, if I'm happy with that, is I might put a different board in it later on, so that, you know, you've got air mode, so you don't have the gyro really restricting you, you know, so that you could do flips and rolls on your own without having to use a stunt button. So I think that might be the ticket, right? But it's pretty smooth. Got about 3 mile per hour wind out here this morning, and as you could see when I first started, the speed 1 indoor was not really enough to push against the 3 miles per hour wind, you know, that because it's an indoor mode. Mode 2 worked pretty well. Mode 3 worked even better, and of course the outdoor mode works just great. Okay, so I've had it in the air for 6 minutes. Let's do another fast pass through here, and then we will. I think that is pretty cool. Okay, so we'll bring it over here and then land it. Let me get it on the other side of me so that I don't have it in shadow like that. Okay, we're down. We're down. Okay, so I'll have to check the video, see how exactly how long I had it in the air. I'm going to have to check the voltage. Well, I might be able to check it with the multimeter, right? I'll see if I can check it with the multimeter and see how much voltage is left in the pack. And then when I find that out, I'll put it on the screen to let you know how much flight time I think we're going to be able to get. So I was just cruising around with it most of the time. Tried to do a punch out with it. The gyro won't let me do a punch out with it. But I did a few rolls to the left, rolls to the right, back flips with it. That was pretty cool. I just landed manually, but the one key takeoff and landing worked really well. The orbit mode works well. The LED light pattern changes work. I changed it to a couple different ones, but it seems like it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to put in, I got 2 battery packs with this one. I'm going to put another battery pack in it. I will check the voltage on this and let you know what the flight time, what it looks like the flight time is going to be. Alright, so that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.